Hey, what's up guys? Alien Rides here, and today we're going to check out something new. We're going to take a look at this, the Skydio 2 drone. Subscribe and let's ride.
So let's check out the unboxing of the Skydio 2 first. I've got about half the things I ordered from Skydio so far, and the rest of the items are coming next month. So far I've got a few batteries, extra propellers, the beacon, and the drone. The drone comes with another battery, USB charger, 65-watt wall adapter, and a microfiber lens cloth. Next month I'm expecting the controller, ND filters, a dual slot charger, and a nice case to hold everything. Under the Skydio, when the battery is not inserted, there's an empty SD card slot for media recording. Personally, I'm using a fast 512GB SanDisk SD card for recording. 512 gigs is probably overkill for what most people would need though. I imagine 128 or 256 gigabytes would be fine. Let's snap in the battery. It's magnetic and there were a lot of concerns, but check this out. It's not going anywhere when I shake it. The Skydio has 7 cameras total, 1 for recording and 6 for obstacle avoidance. At the highest, the Skydio 2 can record in 4K 60FPS, or you can lower it to 1080p for 120 FPS if you want some awesome slow motion shots. So now let's take this drone out on a ride around San Francisco. Subscribe and let's ride. So now we're riding with Skydio, and I'm riding with some friends on my electric unicycle. I'm using the beacon for this ride and it's super slick. There's plus and minus buttons on the remote, which can change the Skydio following distance. You can instantly swap between close, medium, and far distances. Arrows on the beacon can change the positioning of the Skydio. You can basically consider there to be 8 possible positions around you, and you can cycle through the various positions to get the view you're looking for. During this ride, I found myself riding with both the beacon in one hand and the phone in the other hand. It's mesmerizing watching the Skydio tracking in action on the phone, but in time I'm sure I'll put more trust into just holding the beacon, with the phone in my pocket. Or potentially I'll mount both of them to the handlebars of my scooter. On the phone app, you can select different skills to use. Most of these are best when you're stopped at a single place for an establishing shot. There's skills like the standard motion tracking, but my favorite is probably the orbit mode. This will have the Skydio attempt to circle around you and creates a pretty nice cinematic shot. When you're in motion though, it prioritizes following you, so it won't orbit as much. But when you slow down or come to a stop, the orbiting will resume. I haven't tried all the skills yet, but there's a few other ones like the Vortex, Boomerang, Droney, and more. I'm sure I'll be trying all these out in future videos. The auto following of this drone is amazing. Once you launch, and at any time of your choosing, you simply tap on a person in the phone app and the drone will follow you. It was really cool to see this drone follow me through the park and down the beach without having to pilot it. The experience filming with this drone just felt magical, and I think the video quality is really great as well. There's a few points where I command the drone to follow my friends, handing one the beacon and relying purely on visual tracking for another. It worked great in both cases and was really easy to use. So in conclusion, this drone is amazing and I'm going to use it for a lot of future videos. I hope to use it to film all kinds of electric vehicles including scooters, unicycles, skateboards, and more, hopefully both for city and trail use. Though it's probably suited more for trail use than usage in a busy city like San Francisco. Most people we ran across when filming were super happy to see a drone like this flying around San Francisco, but we did get dirty looks from a few lame people. I love this drone, but like anything I buy, I look for what could be improved in future versions. For the Skydio 2 specifically, I'd like to see a few things. For one, perhaps a larger obstacle avoidance bubble. This would allow you to go through more tricky forests and trails, since the Skydio would be able to more efficiently plan a route and lose tracking less. Also, a smaller package with folding arms would be super nice, since the Skydio is still a bit larger than the Mavic. A faster top speed would also be awesome, so we have more filming options with high-speed scooters and cars. And finally, a larger sensor would be nice for better drone operation in low-light conditions. That's all we got now for this drone video. Let us know what you think of the drone in the comments section. Like and subscribe so you can see our future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time. Oh yeah, there's another few minutes of Skydio footage if you're interested. Peace.